Hi everyone, Melissa here, Mo Creations, coming on today just to share a small haul and also tell you a little bit about that magic mat and my review, I guess, so to speak, on the mat and what I found. All right, so we're going to start off with Tuesday morning. I went over the Tuesday morning because I loved those tri-blend markers that I got from Hobby Lobby so much, and I knew Tuesday morning had some, so I picked up every one that they had. And so I'm so excited about having these because when I say I love these markers, I don't have to stress over on, well, I wasn't stressing anyways, but how to blend those Copic markers, which I love the Copics, but because these already have the three colors that blend very nicely together, I found it so much easier to color with these. So, and if they have more coming, I'll probably pick those up as well. All right, and then off of Amazon, I ordered a couple different things. I needed some new um, little pins, and then they had this little spoon in there. I haven't opened it yet. And this little, I don't know if that's a little bag or cloth or whatever's in there. But anyways, I got that. And then I had been looking for these tags because I thought they were so cute. And I've only seen them on, oh, what is it? On AliExpress. But then I seen them on Amazon. And so I thought they were going to be the big ones. And they're these little bitty small things. But it works, so I'm happy to have those. And then I went over to Hobby Lobby and I seen this tag. They had popped this tag up for sale. Not that I needed another tag, especially any like these. So I don't know. I might do that in that Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo giveaway as well. Still not sure what I'm going to give away with that, but I might do that giveaway with a couple different dies. All right, and then My Creative Time had a her last release, and when she popped these little bows up, I was just like, I am all over that because I had been wanting some smaller bows. And I think they call them mini bows, but I cleaned that packaging, so that's why it's kind of wiped off. But oh, I love it. I didn't realize how small that one's going to be. I love the sizes, absolutely love the sizes. So I'm glad about that I got that. And then she had gotten some more tags, and so this time I said, I'm just going to buy her tags just the way they are without it going on clearance or on sale or anything. And her prices are good now, anyways. I love her prices. And so I picked these right up. They're called the tall frame dies and layer dies. So these, I want to say, layer on top of these. And so I went ahead and picked those up. And now onto the review of my Magic Mat. Let me show you the original. So it comes like this. You'll have it in the package like this. And I went ahead and used it, and I've used it a lot. I found that after a while, you use it, it does warp. And a lot of people doesn't think they're going to have warping. It does warp. They even said it on scrapbook.com that it warps, especially if you use it with the Gemini. But you just have to take your heat gun to it. Now, I did have to, and I wish I would have showed you how I do it, but I already did it for the day. I did because it was starting to warp really bad, and it seemed like the tension of it was losing tension in some spots because it was warping. It didn't want to cut out. Um, and so I just took that heat gun and went over it. And then what I do, I usually have the Tim Holtz glass mat sitting here. Well, underneath my Tim Holtz glass mat, I've lost those little feet. So this lays directly underneath there, and it turns it flat once I've made it pliable from the heat gun. And I usually heat it up, seems like almost 10 minutes, I'll run it back and forth this side, flip it over this side until it becomes really pliable so I can move it back and forth and kind of flatten it out. Then I put it up under the glass mat, and it usually, well, the last time I did it, it worked perfect. So I'm hoping that it does this time, because this time I noticed that I was struggling cutting out dies, and it was really getting to me. So I'm hoping that it works again like I did the first time. So I'll let you know. If not, I guess I'll be going back to the plastic plates. So as of right now, it's flat again, pretty much. As you see, it's flat, and I don't think it's lost any tension in the center. Let me kind of measure. Well, let me take this out. I don't think it's lost any tension in the center, and believe me, I've been cutting out a bunch of dies, like a slew of dies. So let's see if it's still about the same width. It looks almost the same. Like it got a little bit smaller, maybe, if you can tell. You can't see the separation. Maybe you can now. But you can't really even tell the difference. But so anyways, I just wanted to give you a heads up for those who didn't know and feel that it doesn't warp. These do warp, but you can just use the heat gun to them and flatten them back out. Well, that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.